about second mile service, we talk about clients first. I think everybody agree, but I think everybody has a different understanding what it means to put the client's best interest first. Friday, August 3rd at 8 o'clock in the morning. This morning, we focused on the shift in the marketplace. We are going through our VIP home buying system, our VIP home selling system, positioning our clients to win in today's shifting real estate market. So for example, we are talking about our RBID system. Our RBID system is where our VIP sellers clients, we are positioning our VIP sellers clients to receive multiple offers when they're selling their home in today's market. In fact, we are so confident that we are telling our clients, if you are thinking of selling your home is guaranteed to sell at 100% of the fair market value, or I'll pay the difference. So today we are going through our system. How can we make sure our sellers clients how to generate multiple offers? At the end of the day, we are a marketing company, right? We are a marketing company, so we are really, really good on the marketing. So today we focus on many different marketing channels to win in today's market. When we are talking about the billboards, the radio, the strategy, we are talking about 7 sales strategy. This morning, we are going through each one of the 7 sales strategy to make sure our VIP clients can win in today's August 2018 real estate market. The extra mile, it's easy for people to talk about it, but doing it is different, right? So you are still answering their call at 10 p.m. at night.
So she was very sorry. She said, "Oh, I'm so sorry I called you at this time." I said, "No worries. Like every time you text me, I'll reply you right away." She said, "Yeah, she knows that." So it's like going through the extra mile to help clients like over the smallest little things. So she's very thankful. "Oh, thank you so much for helping me to even pick up the documents in the morning." I said, "Yeah, no worries." Something like this, going the extra mile. So customer service to me is a process to ensure customer satisfaction through a product or service. So in my case, customer service means that going through the extra miles to really understand what the client wants. Because if you care about the client will know, and all the more they will appreciate and appreciate what you do for them. So for example, I have clients who actually call and text me late at night. I will always respond if possible, and picking up documents from them whenever they need to, because most of my clients, they work, so it's not convenient for them to just drop off documents to our office all the time. So by doing the simplest little things like this for them, they really do see that you care. Like I care for them. So that's what customer service means to me too.
Hey guys, good morning. This is Edward from Remax Titanium. What customer service means to me is you go above and beyond what they expected you to do, and it means a lot because I work for reviews, repeat clients, and referrals. So I want to go above their expectations and above what they want me to do.